All right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe. We're gonna test run our Hemi again today, check for leaks, lash valves, check the cranking compression, and put it on a cradle to go to the dyno. So y'all hang out. We are sealed back up in here. I know it's kind of hard to see through a bell housing and all that, but I went back with a stock seal retainer, and reason being, the other seal broke when I pulled the other one out. Somebody had mentioned that in a comment, so. Just to give y'all an update, I can show you that in a minute. But right now we're bone dry, and Rick's here. We're gonna start this thing up. Contact. Every freaking time. A little cold natured. Y'all don't make fun of my beam torque wrench, but Rick wants to retorque this intake.
Well, it was loose. That's the only reason I want to retorque it.
You only torqued it to 6 inch-pounds, right?
Yeah.
We can do that and run it again. Maybe it'll sound different.
I think it might. Yeah.
There's 190, all warmed up. What have you been doing, Rick?
Taking off valve covers.
Okay. And
taking out spark plugs. We got to pull the plug tubes out. And then find top dead center and get these things adjusted before you have to go do all your chores. It is stiff. Wow.
Stuck?
Oh man. Let's go to an easier one.
They expanded after it heated up, maybe.
Oh, I don't know what they did. But it ain't gonna be fun. Wow. Huh.
That one's moving.
One.
There we go. Those O-rings.
Well, yeah, these aren't the right O-rings, are they?
I don't know. They're fat. They didn't leak oil.
No, but they're too fat. Why don't we pull one out and let's do that cranking compression.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Let's see what we got.
Let me find the trigger. Are you ready?
Hold on, let me
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we got the throttle, we got nothing here is gonna hurt anything, right? We're all okay?
All the plugs are out.
Yeah. All the plugs are out. It might squirt me a little bit, but let's see what we got. $190. I'll take it. Exactly what we asked for.
I believe that's right. Let me
75,
let me zoom on it
85.90.
for the people playing along.
190. Exactly what we were hoping for.
Boom.
Tight.
There we go. 2 intake, 8 exhaust.
That might be a hair loose. I'm gonna say 2 intake is fine. And 8 exhaust is real close. I mean,
We're going to the dyno. He wants it all.
yeah. When you use this wrench, you kind of got to push up because the weight of the wrench. That's pretty much on the money, isn't it? Okay, 90 degrees.
All right. And we're going 1 and 4.
1 and 4. One. 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 Yeah, I'm okay. Let me tell you the sad story. I normally go 7. This time I went 8.
Uh-huh.
And they're all about 1 thou tight. That's sad. I don't even know why I did it.
I don't know. You're not used to these cast iron blocks, right? You need an aluminum block and aluminum head.
I don't know. I don't know why I went. I mean, my book says 7. I always do 7. Here, I think the last one I did just didn't seem right. I think the exhaust opened up more or something. I must have had some camera or something wrong. I don't know what it was.
Well, I told the people of the world if we have one of these that's excessively loose, then that might be one to watch in case there was a lifter going bad.
We ain't come to nothing yet. It's getting loose. Yeah. Maybe I could give it a little more. That oil is damn slick.
Looks pretty good to me.
Yeah. Very slick. Yeah, that feels a hair tight.
But it does go. A tight 20. 19 and a half.
Well, too tight. Looks good in there, doesn't it?
It does. Nice and clean. No metal.
Yeah.
None of the
Chrome shafts.
none of the valves were off by more than a thousandth,
Yeah. Very nice.
which would be indicative of a happy cam break-in, right?
Yeah.
There you go.
I would think so.
There's your word of the day. Indicative.
And really, all we were doing was the lifters, you know.
Right.
Yeah, so I'd say everything was wonderful.
And the floor is bone dry,
Yes.
minus the old stuff.
Right.
We didn't even get any oil on the floor after you took the valve covers off. I thought all that would be
Yeah.
just
Right.
nice.
You still need to kind of wipe here just to make sure that it doesn't get on the headers so you don't get a bunch of smoke.
Well, the next time it runs, it'll be on the dyno, I guess.
Yeah, and we don't want smoke there, you know.
I got different headers. Got the dyno. Dyno headers are coming.
We just need to wipe that off while we got it here.
I got some brake cleaner.
Oh, we don't have to help. Everything look good?
I was showing everybody their favorite part.
Yeah.
It's dry as a bone. I will go around and snug the pan bolts just barely because they always end up just barely loose. But that's what we were after, folks. The next person to take that pan off is not going to like me. But we don't like leaks, so